the end of this lesson, I would show you how to use online resources to create QR codes. Let's say I want all the students in Ghana to have access to the Ministry of Education website. How will I do this? Instead of me writing the name of the website or the URL of the website in textbooks for them, what I will do is that I will create a QR code, put it in a textbook so that when they scan it, it leads them straight to their website. So this is what I'm going to do. So first, the URL for the Ministry of Education. Let's load Ministry of Education here, and then there we go. And then I'm going to open another tab, and then I type QR code generator. Right. So there are a number of QR code generators you can use, and some of them you have to sign up. Some of them too, it's free. But I prefer using this guy because I don't have to sign up before using it. So I'm just going to copy the URL of the Ministry of Education website here, and then I come in. Now you see we have URL vcard. That's then a lot of other features here. It simply means that based on what you want to do, if you want to use the QR code for PDF or music, you can just click on it like PDF and paste the QR code in there. You see, this is asking me to sign up first, but I'm just going to do for URL. So I'm going to paste the URL of the Ministry of Education here, and then it creates the QR code for me. Perfect. Now, you can choose to design the squares if this is not nice for you. So let's say I want to use the dots. I prefer having it this way. You see, it becomes more nicer as compared to the previous one. And then also, if you have a logo, that is, if you are sign up, you can upload your own logo, drop it in. So let's say my logo is Scan Me. So I'm going to use my logo here, and then there I have it. I can't download this now or print it because I've not signed up. See, I've not signed up. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to use the screenshot feature. So just say screenshot this guy here, right? And here I have it. I have it screenshotted, so I can now put this in documents or textbooks where all learners can scan it and have access to the Ministry of Education website.